Welcome to another day to our math tutorial. Okay, ngayon ang tatry po natin i-discuss is about the polygon. Okay, ito po yung first lesson ng grade 7. Okay, now, the question is, what is polygon? When we talk about polygon, it is a closed plane figure and no curve. Ayan lang po yung dalawang definition na kailangan lang po natin tandaan to classify if the given figure is a polygon or non-polygon. Ngayon, ang gagawin po natin is to break down the definition of polygon para mas mabilis po natin siyang maintindihan. Okay? When we talk about closed, sa Tagalog po niyan, sarado. Okay? Ibig sabihin, if you have a house, no, let's say, pintuan, no, sarado po dapat yan. Wala rin pong bintana, wala pong way para makapasok ka po dyan sa loob. For example na lang po yung rectangle. Okay? Kung nasa labas ka po ng rectangle, let's say ito ka po, okay, wala pong, kahit umikot ka po sa loob ng rectangle, hindi ka po makakapasok kasi naka-closed po siya. Okay? Another example for that is also a triangle, is also a polygon. Why? Kasi naka-closed po siya. Okay? Kapag may nakita po kayong bukasin kahit maliit, that one is not a polygon. Non-polygon po siya kagad. Okay? Bigay po tayo ng example ng open. For example po, this figure. Ayan. Sulat po ako sa monitor po natin. Ayan. So, this one, mayroon ka pong nakita. Let's say, you are here. Okay? Pwede ka pong pumasok sa loob using this way. So, open. At bawal po kay polygon na open po siya. Okay? Dapat po lahat closed bago po siya maging polygon. Okay, I think you understand, no, kung ano po ba ibig sabihin ng closed. Ngayon, ano naman po yung plane? Yung plane, always remember 2D. Okay? Two-dimensional. Ibig sabihin, ito po dapat ay flat. Or, it must be having a 2 dimensions. Meron lang dapat siyang length. At dapat meron lang dapat siyang width. Dapat wala siyang height. In short, flat lang po dapat. Okay, that is plane. Now, when we talk about no curve, dapat wala kang makikitang curve or like a rainbow or a circle. Pag may nakita ka pong like a rainbow or like a part of the circle, non-polygon po siya kagad. Okay pa, clear po tayo doon. Okay, now, may nagtanong sa atin, no, nasa sa messenger po natin, sir, ano po ba, paano po ba namin malalaman na flat po siya or plain po siya? Simple lang po. Gagamitan mo lang po siya ng kamay. Okay, o bigay po tayo example. Now, let's say the box. Ang box po ba, ayan, drawing lang po tayo. Ayan, box. Ayan. This one is the box. Ang box po ba ay plain or not plain? Ang box po ay hindi po plain. Why? Kasi po siya po ay may length, siya po ay may width, siya po ay may height. 3-dimensional po ang tawag natin sa box. Okay po? So, hindi po siya flat. Okay? So, hindi po siya polygon. Clear po tayo dyan. Okay, magbigay pa po tayo ng ibang example ng polygon. A pentagon or a 5-sided polygon. Next, hexagon or 6-sided polygon. Heptagon or 7-sided polygon. Clear. Now, let's try to classify the given figure if it is polygon or non-polygon. Are you ready? Let's start. A triangle, it is a polygon or a non-polygon? It is a polygon, right? Now, why do you say so? Why a triangle is a polygon? Very good, because by means of its definition. A triangle is a polygon simply because it is a closed plane figure and no curve. How about this shape? It is a non-polygon. Why? Simply because it is a closed plane figure but it has a curve. At bawal po magkaroon ng curve kay polygon. Pag may curve, non-polygon po siya kagad. Another one, how about this shape? Very good. It is a polygon. Why? Because it is a closed plane figure and no curve. How about this shape? Very good. It is non-polygon. The reason is, yes, very good. It is open plane figure. May pasukan po kasi papunta sa loob. Another figure. How about this figure? Nice. It is a polygon. Why? Kasi wala po siyang curve at wala ka pong pasukan sa loob. Okay? So meaning, it is a closed plane figure and no curve. How about the shape? Nice. You're right. It is nice. It is a non-polygon. Why? Simply because it has a curve. Okay? How about this shape? A star. Very good. It is a polygon. Why? Because wala po siyang curve and wala ka pong pwedeng pasukan papunta sa loob. So that is a closed plane figure and no curve. Now, let's try to identify this figure. A polygon or non-polygon? Nice. It is a non-polygon. The reason is it is open plane figure. Very good. Now, let's try to identify which of the letters in the polygon represented a polygon and non-polygon. How about this one? Letter P. It is a polygon or non-polygon? Very good. It is non-polygon. Why? Because it has a curve. Very good. How about the letter O? It is a non-polygon. Why? Simply because it has a curve. How about letter L? It is polygon. Right? Why? Simply because it doesn't have a curve and a closed figure. How about letter Y? It is also a polygon. Nice. How about letter G? It is non-polygon. Right? Why? What is the reason? It has a curve. Letter O, it is also non-polygon. Why? Simply because it has a curve. How about letter N? It is polygon or non-polygon? It is polygon. Very good. Now,